Hello friends, I'm Dr. Meera Mishra and today I'm discuss some other kind of question which is based on the nth term of the AP series. So friends, first one question is here. If nth term of AP is 1 by m and mth term of AP is 1 by n, then prove that Tmn equal to 1, where Mn is the term of AP series. Okay, so friends, in this question given two informations. First one is nth term. It means Tn is given 1 by m and mth term value, it means Tm is given 1 by n, and we prove that Tmn equal to 1. Okay, so we know the general formula for the nth term of the AP series is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Now applying given conditions in here, so first one is Tn is equal to 1 by m, so you can put the value here. So m equal to a plus n minus 1 d, and this is the first one equation. And second one is mth term, it means Tm equal to 1 by n. So first you replace the n term by m in general formula. So make the formula for the Tmth. So this formula for the Tmth. Now put the value of Tm equal to 1 by n. So here 1 by n equal to a plus m minus 1 d, and this is your second one equation. Okay, now solve first and two equation, because we have to prove this and this means Tmn equal to 1. If we write the formula for the Tmn, so it means a plus mn minus 1 d. If we have a and d value, then put the value of here, so we can find or we can prove this. Okay, so how can we find the a and d value? From equation 1 and 2. So again we write these values, 1 by m a plus n minus 1 d, and second one is equation is 1 by n equal to a plus m minus 1 d. So solve for subtracting both equation. So on subtraction, this one is cut down, so 1 upon m minus 1 upon n equal to n minus 1 d minus m minus 1 d. So again solve, because d on both sides, d in both terms, so we can common n minus 1 minus m plus 1 d. So minus 1 and plus 1 are cancelled out, so you take the LCM, and there is n minus m d. So n minus m is also cancelled out, so we get d equal to 1 upon mn. So here we get the value of d equal to mn. Now put the value of d equal to mn in first one equation. So 1 upon m equal to a plus m minus 1, and d is your mn. Put in equation 1. Okay, so 1 by m equal to a plus, now 1 by m and take the inside, so this one value is 1 by n minus 1 by mn. Okay, now solve. So for solvification, 1 upon m minus 1 by n plus 1 by mn equal to a. Now again we solve. take the LCM mn n minus m a. Okay. Now put the value of d in equation 1. So equation 1 is 1 by m equal to e plus n minus 1 d. So 1 by m equal to e plus n minus 1 and d is 1 upon mn. Now solve this one. 1 upon m equal to e plus 1 by m minus 1 by mn. So here 1 by m cancel out. So value is a equal to 1 upon mn. So both values comes a equal to 1 by mn and d equal to 1 by mn. Now put both values in this equation. You can write the equation number 3. So put a and d value in equation 3. So we get tmn equal to a mn plus mn minus 1 upon mn. Now solve this one. 1 upon mn plus 1 minus 1 upon mn. So this cancel out. So finally we prove that tmn equal to 1. Okay friends. Now take the second one question, which is based on the first one proof. So question is that if fifth term and 31st term of series are 1 and minus 77 respectively, then find the 13th term of series. So friends, this question based on the previous proof question. So here given fifth term, it means t5 value is given 1 and t31 value is given minus 77. So write down the formula for the t5. So here a plus 4d equal to 1 and write down the formula for t31. So a plus 30d equal to minus 77. Now solve both. So here, so minus 30d plus 4, it means 26 minus 26d equal to 78. Minus plus, here is plus 77 plus 1, it means 78 and d equal to, it means d equal to minus 78 by 26 and this value comes to minus 3. Okay, so d equal to minus 3. So first value comes d equal to minus 3. Now put this value in equation. This one is your first one, this one is second one equation. So I put the value of d in 1. So a plus 4 into minus 3 equal to 1, minus 12 equal to 1. So a equal to 13. So a equal to 13. Now we get both value a and d, and here in question we find that 13th term of the series. So first one we write the formula for the t13. So t13 equal to a plus 12d. Now put the value of a and d. So a is 13, 12 into minus 3. So 13 minus 36, and this one is 3 and 2 minus 23. It means t13 equal to minus 23. Okay. So this is your answer. Now come to the next proof question, and question is that if the pth, qth and rth term of AP are x, y, z respectively, prove that q minus rx plus r minus by plus p minus qz equal to 0. So nice question. How can we solve? So again we use the formula for the TNS term. As we know the formula, general formula, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1d. So here given the value pth value, it means Tp given the x, Tq given y and Tr given z. So write down the formula for the Tp, a plus p minus 1d. Put the value here, x equal to a plus p minus 1d. Again write the formula for q, a plus q minus 1d, y equal to a plus q minus 1d, and Tr equals to a plus r minus 1d, and this one is r equal to a plus r minus 1d. Now we get 3 questions, 1, 2, 3. So here friends, solve this equation. Now prove that this equation. So we can prove this equation by left hand side. Take the left hand side and prove the right hand side. So here the left hand side is q minus rx. So take the left hand side, q minus rx plus r minus by plus p minus q z. So put the value of x, y, z. So here x, y, z are this one. I'm sorry, this one is z. So put the value of x, y and z values. So q minus r x is a plus p minus 1d plus r minus p, y is a plus q minus 1d, and next one is p minus q, and here is a plus r minus 1d. Okay, now open this. I open first one and write down another one. So this one is, now simplify. Just only open the brackets, inside brackets. And this one is multiplied. And now you see, if you multiply all the terms, if you open the first multiply 2 factors, then we get the 6 terms. If you open this one, you again got the 6th one, and this got 6th one. Total 18 terms are here, and you see all terms are cut. All terms are cut, and value comes 0. So I write all terms. So please solve, be careful, otherwise maybe calculation mistakes comes. P R D, this one is plus, I think this one is plus P R D, QED and minus QA minus QRD plus QD. If you see minus QD plus QD minus RD, I think RD. So this is minus RD, this is plus RD, and plus QA, and you see this is minus QA, QPD, and now you see all terms are cancelled out, and this value becomes 0 right hand side. Okay, so thank you so much. Next question is that question number 3rd. The third term of series is 7 and 7th term exceeds thrice the third term by 2. So this is given the two conditions. First one is third term is given 7 and 7th term exceeds thrice the third term by 2. Okay, and find the first term, it means A, common difference D, and 20th term of the series. Good question. So first we write the what given in question. Given in third term, T3 is given 7, and for 7th term there is a condition, 7th term exceeds thrice the third term by 2. It means T7 condition is that 7th term exceeds thrice the third term by 2. Exceeds thrice the third term. It means third term is T3. So 3 times T3 plus 2. So second one equation is this one, like this one. So first one is this one. This is your first one equation. This is your second one equation. So for T3 we can write. So here write down the formula for third term T3. So it means A plus 2D equal to 7, and this one is A plus 6D equal to, and T3 value is 7. It means 7 into 3, I need 21, and 21 plus 2, it means 23. So equation is this one. Now solve. Take the subtraction. So here is minus 4D equals to, and 23 minus 7, it means minus 16. So D equal to 4. Okay, now put the value in equation 1, or put the value in equation. So I put here. So A plus 8 equal to 7. Okay. So A equal to 7 minus 8 equal to minus 1. Now put the values of A and D in the 20th term of the formula. So write down the 20th term, A plus 19D. So here put the values of A and D. A is your minus 1 and D is your 4. So here is this values come minus 1 plus 76, it means 75. So T20 equal to 75. Okay. Now next one question is that find the question number 4. Find the 25th term from the last of the AP series. So AP series is 6, 8, 10 up to 304. So friend, from the last term, formula is L minus n minus 1t. This formula from the last term. So here L minus n minus 1d. So you know L is your 304, n is 25th, and d is your 2. Now you solve this one, you get the answer. So your answer is, and this one is 256. Okay. So thank you class for joining. So thank you friends for joining my class, and this is all about the formula. This is all about the question based on the nth term of the AP series. So my next lecture based on the sum of the AP series. Okay. So thank you so much.